Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, 2013. It's now 4:02 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were all down again today. The S&P closed down. Because it closed below the short-term bullish channel framed by the red dotted lines, we may have to revert to the longer-term uptrend tomorrow. This longer-term uptrend is framed by the black dashed lines. Resistance is at 1726, as seen by the light pink oval. Support is at 1593, as seen by the light green oval. The US dollar was up slightly today, but price is still consolidating just above support at 21.53. Resistance is at 22.98, as seen by the light pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis for Tuesday, October 8th. Please check and see if your results are the same. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. Today there are 2 strong currencies and 2 weak currencies. The potential pairs to trade are the Aussie Canadian dollar, the Aussie US dollar, the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, and the US dollar Japanese yen. We don't have any open trades. However, for new orders, we placed an order to buy 6 micros of the Aussie Canadian dollar at 0.9791. Target number 1 is 0.9859, and our stop loss is at 0.9645. This is the price chart for the Aussie Canadian dollar. This is the Forex pair that we placed a new order today. Our order is to buy 6 micros at 0.9791. Target number 1 is 0.9859, and our stop loss is at 0.9645. Let's look at the price charts for the other 3 qualified pairs. Here's the price chart for the Aussie US dollar. This would be a bullish trade. We are in an upward channel. The second qualified pair is the Canadian dollar yen. This would be a bearish trade. We are in a downward trending channel. The last pair is the US dollar yen. This would be a bearish trade, and we are in a downward trending channel. Thank you for watching my daily Forex Trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please keep listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Choosing Your Trading Strategy. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review, 2, review of the 2 indexes, 3, background on the ADX indicator, 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies, and 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7, and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.